can't trust any of them with my life.
Exactly as I thought. Let's stop playing without prey and finish this game.
Ben? What?
Come on, punk. You're a smart guy. Can't you figure out when you're being stabbed in the back?
Rhino wasn't the spy? You were?
The genius finally gets it. We were never going to be the new Sinister Six. No. We were always going to be more the Sinister Seven.
No! I don't believe it! Ben! We're friends!
I told you when we first met, I don't have friends. Saving you from drowning my sob story, pretending to join your ragtag team. Now for the coup de grace. Scarlet, please divulge to me Spider-Man's greatest secret. His true identity.
I know you, Ben. I know you won't do...
His name is Peter Parker.
Уходи, за собой закрой. Сколько бы я ни просил и лежала, что меня теряла, я босиком по стеклам бегал так упрямо.